2014 A4. Let's have a look at it now. So you're given the volume. Volume is 50.5 times 10 to the minus 3 meters cubed. You're given the pressure. It is 1.76 times 10 to the 5 pascals. You're given the temperature. It's 300 Kelvin or 23 Celsius. What's the volume? Sorry, it's not 300? Oh yeah, but it says here temperature is 23. It's 300. Yeah. Isn't it?
0 Celsius is 200.
No, but just in the question originally it says the temperature is 23 Celsius.
Yeah. Yeah, and 0 Celsius is how many Kelvin?
273.
Yeah, so it's
23 plus 273.
293.
Oh, okay. 23 plus 273. Alright, then why were you saying 300 as well? Right, now that stupidity's out of the way, determine the volume of the gas if the temperature was 0 and the pressure was 1.01 times 10 to the 5. Okay, so we have a different situation now. The volume is, don't know. The temperature is 273. The pressure is 1.01 times 10 to the 5, and they want the volume. So the way I see it is, this question's a little bit strange because I feel like the first thing I should try to do maybe is get the number of moles.
Yeah, but
that's the second part. So I'm going to do the second part first.
What can't you just use the Q1, V1, V1?
You can, yeah, but I don't like using that. So I'm going to go with PV equals N or T. So N is PV over RT. Hey, I need you to read out these numbers when I type them in. PV over... Joshua. No, then you're really in trouble. Okay. So what was the P, please? The pressure, originally? 1.76 times 10 to the power 5. Multiply V, which is 50.5 times 10 to the minus 3. All over R, which is 8.31, and T, which is 296. This is the original. Huh? So we have 3.61 moles. Sorry, actually I'll write that here. 62? 3.61 I got. Moles. Okay, now I'll do part 1, which is, what is the volume? So volume equals N or T over P. But please note the pressure and the temperature is different, but of course the number of moles is the same. So it would be 3.61 times 8.31. What is 8.31? Times T, which is now 273, divided by the pressure, which is now 1.01 times 10 to the 5. Alright, so if I just type that in, .61 times 8.31 times 273 divided by 1.01 times 10 to the power of 5, 0.0811 0.0811 is what I got.
maybe.
Yeah, I'll just leave it like this. This is fine. As you were saying, Joshua, you could use the other formula so you don't have to get the number of moles, but I feel like why make your life difficult with more formulas if one can do the job?
If we're looking at expressions, they expect us to use PD over T equals P over T.
If you look at what?
Like if they're asking for the most alphabet, so they're expecting us to use both of them.
Yeah, but like if you just did what I did, you'd get full marks.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not.
Do they check the solution for the part A?
What do you mean?
Do they?
But the question isn't saying what formula to use, so you're free to use whatever formula you want.
I mean, yeah, listen.
Yeah.
Do they really look at our solution for part A?
The
Or
process.
just advance it?
Oh no, the process is checked. But there's nothing wrong with what I did, and you're allowed to answer the questions in any order you want. So, look, I'm as lazy as the next person, so I'm going to find what is the easiest and quickest way to do the question, which for me is like this because this is one less formula I have to remember. I just have to use the ideal gas law formula. I don't have to use chars or boils or whatever. Okay? If you want to use that, if that makes you happy, if that helps you sleep at night, no problem.